Yoga weight loss for all. Yoga weight loss for all. Yoga has long been a well-liked type of physical activity, and it is gaining popularity as a weight loss method. Yoga can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism, lowering stress levels, and enhancing posture. Strengthening and toning the muscles are additional benefits. You can attain your targeted weight loss objectives by combining yoga with a nutritious diet. This article will go over the advantages of yoga for weight loss and how it can assist you in achieving your objectives. Yoga is a centuries-old kind of physical activity that has its roots in India. 58% of adults nationwide expressed interest in attempting yoga as an alternative to other types of exercise, according to research from the American Council on Exercise. It has grown in acceptance as a weight loss strategy. Yoga can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism, lowering stress levels, and enhancing posture. Strengthening and toning the muscles are additional benefits. For more info, click here https://10yearol.com/bdz745k6.